Hope I don't lose those body clips there. Oops. Oh well, that's gonna be up to the side. This is the main event right here, the TRX6. So as you can see, I think they called it like TRX4 6x6 when it first came out, but then I think like right away they put these little stickers on the box. So that's kind of cool. Kind of funny to see that. But yeah, I got the 6x6 G-Wagon here, so check it out. Have not touched this box yet, so see how it goes. Oh, there's the radio first. That feels really nice. I like the TQI. I love the lockers. Feels really great. It's been super reliable with my Bronco, so that's been really good so far. Nice styrofoam stuff. Ooh, there it is. Oh yeah. Right away I noticed those black diff covers right there. That looks real nice. Nice and stealthy. Wow. Holy moly. A couple of clips holding the body on, of course. Normal Traxxas stuff here. Bag over the body. There's that beauty. Wow. All kinds of stuff. Looks perfect, of course. Plenty of bags on there. Oh, looks like a protective sheet. Nice. Keeping it looking nice and perfect for you when you get it to you. Nice. I love the attention to detail to that. Looks super sweet. I'll show it on the thing later too. That's actually a little bit softer than I thought it would be. It's probably the same stuff as, like, you know, their normal roll cage stuff. So if anything, a little bit more flexible, just maybe because of the design, if anything. But it is a solid piece. Looks like it is screwed on there. Cool. Stuff there. Light kit, of course. This mumbo jumbo right there. Blah blah blah. A little bit of stuff on the front as well. What is this, a sandwich or a bumper? There we go. Alright, and the rear bumper has it too. Take freaking 3 hours to take it off. There you go. Alright, there. Alright, there you go. Right away, that is just crazy. And that, I thought it was metal, but it actually is plastic. Kind of sucks for that. Oh well, at least keeps the cost down if anything. Hopefully it doesn't get scratched up too bad. As long as it's not black plastic, it should be okay. Oh, the mufflers actually look kind of cool. That's awesome. 6 wheels. I don't know why, but these shocks are so squeaky. I did rebuild my Bronco shocks and they sound exactly the same as this. I have no idea why. But they do feel nice and smooth. Nice and consistent. That's good. All 6. Awesome. Yeah, these tires actually feel really nice. Pretty crazy. Same thing, 2075X. It's okay. It's okay for regular normal running, but it likes to wear down kind of fast. Did on my Bronco, so probably switch this out sooner or later. Battery tray is the same as the Bronco. The diff locks are they're all the 2 rear axles have 1 locker on there, and then 1 for the front, 1 for the back. It's the same as usual. Oh, that's actually a press-in thing. Oh yeah, it's got like a, I guess like a little rubber piece or something. It seems like that does not want to come out. Well, that's good. It's not going to come off on the trail, I don't think. At that point, if it doesn't want to come off right now. Looks like he's got to get something under there. Yeah, that's in there nice and secure. That's awesome. Nice little O-ring right there. 7mm hex right there. I like the red ring. That actually looks really nice. That looks freaking sweet. Pretty good there. Don't want to lose them. It's got the power amplifier, of course, for the light kit that's installed, which is super sweet. A couple of those were coming off on the other side. This one's okay. Maybe the box fell or something. Still has the same rock lights. Looks like the same. Maybe they added a little bit more on there versus the regular one. That rear mud flap's all one piece. The chassis is all one piece from side to side. It's not just added on or anything like that, which is kind of cool. Wow, that bumper is insanely solid. That one too, there's like 0 flexibility on that, so that's cool. Nice and solid, it's not going to go anywhere. That's a little bit flexible. Not as much as the Bronco, but... And these tires look sweet. Very intricate detailing on the molds there. Looks sweet. Nice, like really solid foams in there. So it might not be able to dig down quite as much as a normal, as other ones. Oh, nice. Check out the body on there. Let's see. It goes on alright. The front of the body's a little bit weird, just with the all the intricate molding for that bumper there, but it does fit nicely. So I guess you probably just want to go put the front one on first and then stick the rest of it on. So yeah, it feels real nice. Awesome. Looks like a little marker light on there. Door handles are molded. Wow, that's a little piece of like a sticker right there for the the footboard right there, but no complaints there. That looks sweet. Front bumper just looks great. Those weird googly eyes that the G-Wagon has matches it perfectly. Those grills are really crazy. That's like crazy intricate detailing on there. It looks super real. Lots of depth to it. V8 bi-turbo like the real one. That's awesome. I like that little whatever visor thing you call it. Super sweet looking. G63 AMG 6x6. You know, it's got 2 extra wheels, so that makes it 50% cooler than a TRX4. So there you go. I'll just pull this one out too, just to kind of compare them. This thing's been great for, oh god, it's been a while now. It's probably been like maybe 6-7 months or something like that. This thing's been amazing. Tires feel really good. So hopefully these do too on the new one. But yeah, same exact battery tray, same motor, same speed controller on both of them. Very similar layout. Mud flaps look the same, just added on a little bit there. But it is one piece. It's not like screwed together. Nice and simple still. So that's awesome. Yeah, this thing is like so worse for the wear for sure. It's definitely seen better days, but this thing has been awesome. It's taken up every little bit of abuse I've given to it. Insanely durable, so that's why I was totally intrigued by freaking adding 2 more wheels. So that's awesome. That looks really nice. Axle's a different piece, looks like. Of course, yeah. Axle's different. But yeah, very cool looking. Very nice stuff. The only thing I'm really seeing with it right in the hand right here is at extreme flex, so like basically the entire truck's weight on this one side. It does get pretty close, so it might start rubbing up a little bit. I know the Bronco body does that a little bit as well. You know, so not like it's really gonna go super crazy or anything. The front seems okay. Doesn't seem like it's really hitting anywhere there on that one. Nah, maybe a little bit in the front, rear of the front fender there. Other than that, seems alright. But yeah, it may end up rubbing a little bit in the rear. Front should be okay. I know the Bronco had that a little bit at like extreme travel if you're getting really technical with it, which, you know, might not want to with that this gorgeous bodies, but you know, it does tend to rub a little bit. Nothing crazy there. It's been okay. It hasn't really gone through the paint or anything, so it's nothing crazy. It just makes a little ugly noise every once in a while when you're doing crazy stuff with it. So awesome. But yeah, that feels really good. The TRX4 is really good. Let's hope the TRX6 is really good as well. It looks pretty promising so far. So awesome.